Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan, co-founder and CEO at Maze. Maze empowers product and marketing teams to be able to test anything, ranging from ideas to design to copy, all in one place. It's a rapid testing platform that enables you to collect insights at scale across teams, so you can create better user experiences together. As a former lead UX in different agencies, my role was teaching people how to do design and research, and then ultimately sell these things. The reality was we always struggled to sell research because it was perceived as a slow, expensive, and ultimately very limited in data process. At Maze, we're trying to rethink research to make it something fast, collaborative, and that can be taken by anyone within the organization. What that really means is that anyone that has questions now has the means to answer those questions. Well, building our previous startup, we faced the problem ourselves. We had a very in-depth prototype of what we wanted to create, but no products yet. And on the other end, we had a database of people that were eager to try out our solution. And we thought, how do we get this prototype in front of the eyes of these thousands of people and get insights in what's working and what's not working and which features to build? And so we hacked our way into building a V1 with this idea that if we were able to collect data at scale, we would be able to get a smarter understanding of what was happening on our prototype. That was what led to the V1 of Maze, and that started shaping the vision of this ability for teams to be able to learn earlier in the building process. It's not just designers that need to test. We realized that Maze could be used to solve new use cases, ranging from testing ideas and concepts to testing copy and content to collecting user feedback. And so with these new use cases came new personas. All of a sudden, we saw product managers and product marketers use the platform. And with that came the challenge of enabling these new personas to be able to own insights and research to ultimately create a cultural shift within the organization. For us, we saw product market fit in two ways. On one end, qualitatively, I took my old job back as a UX and tried to force customers to try out the solution. And the reaction we got from this very primitive version of the vision that we had was so massive that it led us to actually release the product to the market, where we saw this quantitative reaction where all of a sudden we had Amazon, Airbnb, Uber, eBay starting using the platform. And so seeing these design-led massive players within the space starting owning research and starting using our platform to run it meant that we achieved product market fit. Partech has been an incredible partner since day one. I can count the number of hours we spent with our partner Boris in workshops trying to identify what was our vision, how do we craft a compelling story that ultimately led us to the incredible Series A that we've been able to raise.